Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning,
morning.
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
We will wait one more minute, then we will start the class. Be ready with your notebooks. And please tell me which topic we have learned in the last class. If you
Ma'am,
have learned,
multiplication.
Multiplication of capacity.
yes, we have learned about the multiplication of capacities. So, what are you expecting? What is your next topic?
Ma'am, division.
Division, you don't have much in your syllabus in the grade 4, division of liters and milliliters. So we are going to do the mixed word problems today. We have covered the addition, subtraction, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we are going to do the mixed word problems today. So be ready and give the examples.
Ma'am, I
Students
can
start
give.
giving the examples on, yeah, mixed word problems either on multiplication, on addition, on subtraction. Please give me
Means, ma'am, we have to do multiplication also and plus.
any operation, any one operation we can apply in one word problem. No,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I tell?
raise your virtual hand, students. Okay, wait a minute. I'll give you a chance. Yes. So I can see Yuk Surana. Priyag, why you have not raised your hand?
Ma'am,
Bhakti,
I'm
Priyag.
typing in chat box.
No, speak also. Raise your hand for
Okay, ma'am.
speaking right now. Right now, I have not instructed for the chat box. Please raise the virtual hand for the story problems based on the three operations which we have covered in liters and milliliters. One is addition, subtraction, and the multiplication. Yes, Dev.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you said to me, Yug.
After Dev. Yes, Dev.
Okay.
Pen manufacturer company used to fill 50 ml of ink in each pen. How much
Okay, okay,
ink
very good. 10 companies.
pen
Yeah,
company used to fill 50 milliliter of ink in each
to,
pen? How
to
much
fill
ink?
how many milliliters?
50 milliliter.
50 milliliter pen
How,
in each ink. Yes,
how much ink required to fill in 1500 pen?
very good. How much ink is required?
Ma'am, you have written 50 ml pen in each ink.
Oh, ink in
Each pen.
each pen. How much ink is required to fill 1,500
500 pens.
pens?
Yes, ma'am.
Fill 500 pens. What you will do in this
No,
case?
ma'am, 1500 pens.
Okay, 1,500 pens.
We multiply 50, 50 multiplied by 1500.
Yes. So you will get the answer.
So the
Okay.
answer is 75 liter.
Okay. Yes. Can anyone else? Yeah,
Ma'am, you
Yuk
have to
Suran.
write this sum.
No, no. I will give you a worksheet after explanation. Then that we will solve in the class. Yes. Yuk Surana, you please explain.
Yes, ma'am. Um, I I bought a 10
Be ready,
Coca-Cola.
students. Everyone, please be ready. I will give chance to each and every child. Please be ready. At least one word problem and of any operation. Yes.
I bought 30 Coca-Cola bottles for 20 liters. 20 liter, 500 milliliter.
And you bought 30.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
I drank some 15 liter, 500 milliliter.
okay.
So, how many liters and milliliters are left in the bottle?
Okay, can you give me the answer?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the answer is 5 liter.
Okay. Next child. Who's ready? Please raise your virtual hand fast. Yes, it.
Okay,
Yes, it.
ma'am. Ram
It,
drank.
wait. Before asking you something, I want to tell you that you were absent in many classes, as you mailed us that you are out of station, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the first class of yours.
Yes, ma'am.
If you want the recordings, please send the mail again and write the dates in that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now please start.
Ma'am, Ram drank 150 milliliter of water in 1 hour. How many water Ram drink in 24 hours? So 150 multiplied by 24.
What will be the answer?
Four zeros are 0. Four fives are 20. 2 up and 0 down. Okay. And 4 ones are 4 plus 2 is 6. And down 1 0. 2 zeros are 0. 5 twos are 10. 1 up and 0 down. 2 ones are 2. 1 plus 3.
Yes.
And the answer is 3600 milliliter.
No. Yeah, 3600 milliliter you can say. And if I tell you to give the answer in liter and milliliter both, then how you will give the answer?
Ma'am, 3 liter 600 milliliter.
Excellent. Thank you. Yes, Priyag.
Yes, ma'am. I have 20 liter 500 milliliter milk. I gave to my neighbor 12 liter 100 milliliter milk. How much milk I have? So
So this addition,
12.
subtraction, multiplication.
It's subtraction, ma'am.
Okay.
So 0 minus 0 is 0. Again 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 1 is 4. 0 minus 2 not possible.
Wait a minute. Dheer, Khush, Desai. Arnav, please turn on your camera and sit in the class. Mohammed Patel, turn on your camera, please. Yes.
0 minus
9
2 not
minus
possible. 2 cut into 1 and 0 into 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So I have 8 liter 400 milliliter milk with me.
And if I tell you to give the answer in the milliliter only, then what will be the answer?
8400 milliliter.
Very good. Next child. Yes.
Ma'am, I have joined 5 minutes late because the network issue was there, so my camera sometimes will go on off. Is it okay?
No. Please make it proper. Because many of the times I have noted you join the class late and when you come also in the class, your camera is off. So that will not be accepted. Okay. Yes, next child. Who will give me the answer? Laisha.
Yes, ma'am. In Diwali festival, there were 15 guests in my house, and I served 100 ml of tea to each guest. How much tea I serve. So we have to
How much
multiply
tea
100.
you serve to how
Yes.
many people?
All the guests which
How
have
many guests
come,
were there?
15.
15. Okay.
So we have to 100 multiply by 15. So 5 multiplied by 0, so 0. 5 multiplied by 0, so again 0. And 5 multiplied by 1 is equals to 5. And 5 multiplied by 0 is, in the liter it will come 0.
Then 1 zeros are?
Then 1 zeros are 0. 1 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. And 1 ones are 1. So the answer will be, we have to plus these two, and the answer will become 1 liter 500 milliliter I serve
Very
to
good.
each guest.
So if I tell you 1 liter 500 milliliter equals to how many milliliter?
What, ma'am?
1 liter 500 milliliter is how many milliliters? Laisha, am I audible, right?
Yes.
1 liter 500 milliliter equals to how many milliliters? कन्वर्जन करना नहीं आता आपको बच्चा? Convert 1 liter 500 milliliter into
1500.
1000. Who's give me the answer?
Ma'am, Bhakti.
Ma'am, Bhakti.
Bhakti, I'm asking from Laisha only. It's 1500 milliliter.
Yes.
Next child. One more child will give, and then I will give you a.
Ma'am,
Yes, Warija.
Arnav.
I will give after this. Yes, Avarija, please start.
A drum contains 52 liters and 12 ml of water. Convert into liter. So what we have
No,
to
no,
do?
no conversion. We are doing conversion here, Warija.
Ma'am, I have other also.
We are doing operation sums, either multi-word problem sums, either multiplication, either based on addition
Ma'am,
or
I
subtraction.
have multiplication sums.
Yes, tell me.
The capacity of water tank is 25 liter. What is its capacity in ml?
Again, this is conversion sum, bacha. And by the time I'm giving chance to other student, you please be prepared.
Ma'am, I can
Yes,
give.
yes, Dirk.
Yes, ma'am. I I have milk for 20. I have milk for 50 liters, 25 ml.
Hmm.
I gave my friend 25 liters, 10 milliliters.
Hmm.
So how much milk is left with me? Ma'am, subtraction. Subtraction.
Okay.
5 minus 0 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1.
5 minus 0 is 0.
5, sorry, ma'am. 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. 0 minus 5 we can't do so.
But you
Five.
know that you need to put a 0 here also to make the 3 digits in the milliliter. Whether it affects or not, पर आपको तो लगाना है procedure में, right?
Yes.
You don't take that? Okay. Now 10 minus 5 is?
10 minus 5 is 5. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So I
What is the
will
answer?
have 25 liter, 15 milliliter.
Yes. Now I am giving you a Google Form link You have to write the statement
Ma'am,
also.
nobody is taking addition.
It's okay. Meantime, I'll give chance to other students also. When you were being solving your Google form, meantime, I will ask from the other students also. So, students, now I am giving you a Google form for practice of the. There are few sums. There are mixed word problems or the story problems. You have to understand the language of the question. That whether you need to do the addition, whether you need to do this multiplication, or you need to do the subtraction.
Excuse
Or
me, ma'am.
let me explain, then you speak. Okay. Please stable your camera, everyone, and mute your mics, please. So I am going to send you a Google form in the classroom, as well as I'm going to send you here in the chat box. So when you open the Google form, you will write the statements also. You can write either in capital or in small. It will accept everything because I am going to check it manually. So write the statement is compulsory to write. You will get the space in the Google form and then you solve it. Got it, everyone? All the three statements are compulsory to write in the Google form. First statement, two, two to three statements which are based on the what is given to you. Your last statement will be based on it, what you need to find out. Because these are the story problems, and in story problems, it is compulsory to write the statement. Yes, Laisha.
Man means you will ask that you have tell us sum of multiplication, so it will be addition or subtraction inside also.
Yeah, it will now it will be mixed because we have covered all the three concepts now.
Yes.
Now it will be mixed story problems in your
So how
syllabus.
it will be?
How it will be means in one sum, one operation only will apply. But if there are five sums, one can be addition, one can be subtraction, one can be multiplication. This way I'm telling. Not in one sum, I'm telling all the operation will apply.
Means in one sum there will be different.
Concept, yes.
Okay, so I was
So
thinking
you
how
need to
can ma'am give
understand.
mix?
You need to understand the language of the concept and you need to solve it.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm going to paste the link. Yes, Steve.
Ma'am, my max book is over, so what I can do?
Start one. You don't have one more book because I think you were getting the two notebooks.
So, ma'am, I see and tell you.
Otherwise, if you don't not finding right now, do it in the revision notebook.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to do in Google Form.
Yes, yes, in Google Form only.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, you will send in chat box or
As well as
in classroom?
both in classroom as well as chat box.
Ma'am, I was absent on Thursday, so I had done one word problem of multiplication. So it is correct or not?
You have sent me the work.
No, ma'am. I will send it today.
Okay,
Please.
send me. I will check and send it to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Student, it is pasted. Refresh your classroom. It is pasted in the classroom. Now I am pasting here in the chat box also. Let me know whether it is open or not. Are you able to open it or not? Sorry.
Ma'am, it's open.
Ma'am, it's open.
Okay, start doing.
Ma'am, it's opening.
Okay, please write the statement also.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we have to write the statement in the
In the Google form itself.
yes, ma'am.
Solve it in the Google form only.
Ma'am, we have to write statements as well.
Already told you, yes, you need to write the statement also in the Google form itself.
We have to write statements also.
I will not give the answer now, Arnav. Sorry. When I was explaining to other child what you were doing,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, you.
Ma'am, so we have to write from like its addition,
The
subtraction.
way you do in the notebook.
Ma'am, we can write short form of L or ml, liter and milliliter.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, like we have to write. It contains this, that. We have to write the three statement also.
Yes, three statements are compulsory to write.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. How we do the sum? Ma'am,
Yes.
how we do the sum? We have to only like 6 liter and 750.
3 लीटर स्टेटमेंट लिखने के बाद आप यहाँ पर भी लिख सकते हैं 3 लीटर 750 ml एंड 2 लीटर 5 ml, यहाँ ऐसे लिख लिया इक्वल्स टू साइन एंड राइट द आंसर. आप रफ कॉपी में इसको सॉल्व, यू नीड टू सॉल्व इट एंड राइट द फाइनल आंसर. Okay,
Okay,
got
ma'am.
it. First write all the 3 statements.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
We have to write 3 statements in one sum.
जितने भी आते हैं, whichever you know, whether 2, 1 or 3, right? But it is compulsory to write the statement because it's a story problem. It's a word problems.
Okay,
If you
ma'am.
solve the story problems without the statement, you will get half marks. अगर वो 2 marks का है तो आपको 1 मिलेंगे, 1 का है तो half mark मिलेगा, 3 का है तो 1.5 mark मिलेगा. Means half mark is always for the statement. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Please compulsorily write this statement. And if you don't have space for solving, solve it. Write the digits, solve it in your notebook and write the final answer.
But ma'am, you have given the big line, so we have to write the full statement or just the answer of it. Ma'am, your mic is off.
Full 3 statement. आपको जैसा समझ में आता है, whichever you understood, how you understood, please write. I will check.
Okay, ma'am.
The way you write in notebook, जैसा आप लिखते जाते लिखते जाओ. अगर वो accept करे, Google form will accept everything. Okay, Navya, can you give me your own story problem?
Okay, I have in my book. A milkman.
Your voice is breaking and you have some. Your voice is breaking and you have some network issue also maybe.
No, ma'am.
Now wait, I will mute myself, then you speak, okay? Yes, Navya, speak.
Yes, ma'am. You can hear.
But still some different voices coming, bacha.
Ma'am,
Now speak. Speak fast. Or I move to the next child. Yes, Kush Desai.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I
Please give
can
me
write
one
in
story
book.
problem. Yeah, Navya, you write in the chat box. Yes, Kush, give me one story problem. Again, he is also taking time. What happened, Kush Bacha?
Ma'am, I'm thinking what should I say?
Okay, Heer Patel, give me one story problem. Your own story.
I take a bottle of oil of 4 liter.
How many liters?
4 liter.
Okay.
And a Coke for 1 liter.
Okay.
So 5 liter.
So the total capacity of both the bottles, आप ऐसे बोलोगे. So the total capacity of both the bottles is 5 liter. Okay.
Ma'am, now I
Next
can say.
is yes, Kush.
Okay, ma'am. Rohit drinks 550 ml Coca-Cola in a day. How many liters?
500. 500.
550 milliliter Coca-Cola in a day.
Okay. Nothing in a liters. Okay.
How many
Then
liters can he consume in 9 days?
okay.
So,
Multiplied with the 9.
so 1 day is equal to 550 ml. 9 days is equal to how much? So for 550 into 9, the answer is 4,950 milliliter.
Just check, bacha. 9 4,950
4,950.
milliliter. So if 4,950 milliliter, if we say, so how many liters and how many milliliters?
4 liter 950 milliliters.
Okay.
So answer is he can consume 4 liter 950 milliliter Coca-Cola in 9 days.
Okay, very good. Someone was saying me, excuse me.
Yes, ma'am. Then
Yes,
I'm
Priyanka.
confused that how we can write there in Google form with statements.
In any of the language, means in any font, either small or capital, कैसे भी. जैसे आप नोटबुक में लिखते वैसे
No,
टाइप
ma'am.
करते जाओ.
We have to show like that I'm doing this and like that, or on only statements we have to write.
Statement also you need to write. You need to write the numbers also. You need then you solve multiply. आप notebook में करो. Final answer आप Google form में करो. Got it? I'm presenting it here in the. One question is on Krishna's birthday, her mother bought 6 liter and 750 milliliter of milk from one dairy and 5 liter 250 milliliter from another dairy. How much of the milk did she buy on that day? So is the addition or subtraction or multiplication, students?
Ma'am, can I drink water?
Yes, please. Varija and Varena, I request you, please solve this problem of echoing in the class. Always this is happening, and I really feel very bad when you children not get the chance to speak. Am I audible to you, Varenya? Please solve this problem, bacha.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, you.
Ma'am, in some of the questions, there are in the question there are only two statements, so we have to write only
Yeah.
two statements. Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes. It is. So first one I was asking, you children had not given me the answer yet. First one is what? Addition, subtraction, or what?
Ma'am, addition.
Ma'am,
Yes,
addition.
addition. Second, a
Ma'am,
tin contains
ma'am, you
15
are
liter.
giving
Addition,
the
ma'am.
answer.
It is not your CET, bacha.
Okay.
It is not your CET. This is your classwork. So we are discussing the which operation we will apply here.
Ma'am, the
Because no,
B1 is of subtraction.
a tin contains 15 liter, 320 milliliter of oil, out of which this milliliter is wasted due
It's
to the
subtraction.
leak because it's we have taken out it's a leaking, so it's subtraction. Go to the next. C. You will not give the other answer. Now next child will give. A new tank was installed on
Okay,
a
ma'am.
petrol pump. It had a capacity of 1000 liter. Two tankers poured 360 milliliter, 360 liter and 850 milliliter and 385 liter, 350 milliliter petrol into it. How much more petrol can the tank hold? Children, you know the C1, how to do the C1. How many of you know that? Raise your hands. Raise your hand. How many of you know to do how to do the C1? Ahana, you know how to do C1? Ahana,
By mistakenly, ma'am, I raised my hand.
so you don't know means how to do the C1?
Ma'am, I am confused. And
Okay. Any other child who is clear with the C1? Prayag, you know the C1? Hit Kasodia, you know how
Ma'am,
to
I'm
do
reading.
C1?
Give me 2 minutes.
no, but I am
Okay.
trying.
Okay. I'm giving you 1 or 2 minutes. Please try. C1 is just little different kind of. There are two operation in one sum we have to do. Sometime in the story problem, it is possible that we can apply two operations also. In the C1, are you ready, Priyag, or I can explain? Can I explain, students? Okay, okay.
Ma'am, first we have to do addition and subtraction.
Yes. The two operation will apply here because it's saying that a new tank. There is a one new tank. The capacity of that new tank is 1000 liters. And you are going to fill this new tank with the two different tanks. दो different tanks से उसको fill कर रहे हो. So the one tank is 360 liter and 850 milliliter, and another tank is 385 liter and 350 milliliter. So first you should add the capacity of these two containers, because it's in दो से जब आप fill करोगे तो total what will come from that total you will subtract from 1000, because it is asking how much more petrol can the tank hold. Got it? So first add the capacity of these two containers, whatever the answer is coming, subtract that answer from 1000.
Ma'am,
Now
I
I will
will
go
do
to
that
the,
only.
very good. Now I will go to the next. Reena takes 765 liter of cold drink from a jug and contain, which is contained this, how much cold drink is left in the jug. So which operation we will apply on the D1? सिंपल इट इज. एक जग था, उसकी कैपेसिटी इतनी थी, उसमें से कुछ निकाल दिया. हाउ मच इज लेफ्ट? इट्स वेरी सिंपल स्टूडेंट्स.
Minus.
Yes. Next is E. A village has two wells. One has 367 liters and 588 milliliter of water, and in another well it is something of water. How much water do the two wells in all?
Ma'am, it is addition. It is addition.
Yes. In all is there, right? So you can do it. It is your homework also. Complete this Google form. Today, this is your homework also, to complete this Google form and send it to me, right? No other worksheet I am going to send today. This is your homework worksheet only. Got it? So complete this and send it to me. Thank you, students, for today's class.
Okay, ma'am.
It is not a
When
secret,
we
bacha.
have to send
Bye, ma'am.
the Google form.
Today, I will put the date time also today before 10 p.m.